In this video, I will show you the best features of the Galaxy Fit 3. So let's get started. The first feature is that you can map the side button to perform a custom action. Now to do that, just open the Galaxy Fit 3, then go to the app drawer. From here, just tap on Settings, and under Settings, just tap on Advanced Features. Now from here, just tap on double press the Home button. And from here, you can select a custom action. As you can see, it is currently on my exercises, but you can select an app from here, or you can select the most recent app. For an example, I will select the media controller. Now, if I double press the side button, it will open the media controller. And you can map it to do any other action. Just like that. Now the second feature is that it can detect a hard fall. For that, open the app drawer and tap on Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Safety and Emergency, and from here you will find the feature called Hard Fall Detection. Now by default it is off, but if you enable it, it will ask you to enter an emergency contact number. Now just tap on Add on Phone. Now on your Android phone, just open the Galaxy Wearable app, then tap on Add on Phone one more time. Now on your phone, just select the emergency contact number which you want to contact in case of a hard fall. Now you can select a contact from your contact list, or you can create a custom contact. Now if you tap on Select from Contacts, you can select any of the contacts. Like for an example, I will select this contact, and this number will be contacted when your band detects a hard fall. But also you can tap on the plus icon over here, and you can select Create Contact, and from here you can create a custom contact. For an example, in the name section, just enter the name of the contact, and in the phone number section, just enter the phone number. Just like that. Then tap on Save, and these numbers will be contacted when your band detects a hard fall. Now the third feature is that you can set a custom watch face on the Galaxy Fit 3. For that, just open the Galaxy Wearable app on your Android phone. Now just make sure that your phone is paired with your Galaxy Fit 3. Then the next step is to tap on Watch Faces. And from here, you can set any of the available watch faces in this section. But if you want to set a custom watch face, like if you want to set a custom wallpaper or your photo as the watch face, then just select this option. Just tap on Photos and select Add. After you set this watch face as the default watch face on your Galaxy Fit 3, then the next step is just scroll down and go to the top of the page, and from here, just tap on Customize. Now you can tap on the camera and you can capture a photo with the camera of your Android phone to set it as the watch face or the background of your Galaxy Fit 3, or you can tap on Gallery and you can select a photo from the Gallery app. Now for an example, I will select this photo, then tap on Done. Tap on Done. And once you do that, you will be able to set the selected photo as the watch face. And also you can change the placement of the clock and the color of the clock from here. Just like that. And once you're satisfied with your edit, then tap on Save. And as you can see, we have set it as the watch face of our Galaxy Fit 3. And you can also set multiple photos at the same time. Now as you can see, I have set a single photo, but if I tap on Customize one more time, now just select another photo. For an example, I'll select both of these photos, then tap on Done. Select Save. Now just tap on Save one more time, and as you can see, you can change between the watch faces as you tap on the screen. Just like that. Now the fourth feature is that the Galaxy Fit 3 has a built-in calculator. Now if you swipe up, in the app drawer, you will find the option of calculator. Just like that. And these were the best features of the Galaxy Fit 3. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.